In a world where space is often at a premium, the quest for innovative storage solutions has become a necessity for many. The clutter that accumulates in our homes can feel overwhelming, transforming once inviting spaces into chaotic environments. Yet, with a little creativity and strategic thinking, we can reclaim our homes and promote a clutter-free lifestyle. Imagine stepping into a living room that feels spacious and serene, where every item has its place. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through multifunctional furniture. A coffee table with built-in storage compartments can hold everything from magazines to blankets, while a sofa with hidden drawers can store games or seasonal decorations. By selecting furniture that serves dual purposes, you can maximize your space without sacrificing style. In the kitchen, the battle against clutter can be relentless, especially with the myriad of gadgets and utensils that seem to multiply overnight. One innovative solution is the use of vertical storage. Wall-mounted shelves or pegboards can transform empty walls into functional storage areas. Hang pots, pans, and utensils within arm's reach, freeing up valuable counter space for meal prep. Clear jars can hold dry ingredients like pasta or rice, not only keeping them organized, but also allowing you to see at a glance what you have. This visual cue can help reduce food waste and streamline cooking. The bedroom, often a sanctuary, can quickly become a catch-all for clothes, shoes, and accessories. To combat this, consider underbed storage solutions. Utilizing bins or drawers that slide under the bed can provide a discreet home for out-of-season clothing or extra bedding. Additionally, creating a dedicated spot for accessories can help maintain order. A simple over-the-door shoe organizer can be repurposed to hold scarves, bowls, or even small handbags, turning an often overlooked space into a functional storage area. In the bathroom, where space is typically limited, clever organization can make all the difference. Consider using tiered shelving units to take advantage of vertical space. These can hold everything from toiletries to towels, keeping essentials within easy reach. Wall-mounted baskets can also be a stylish way to store items while keeping surfaces clear. By grouping similar items together, such as hair products in one basket and skincare in another, you can create a system that is both visually appealing and efficient. For those who work from home, creating a clutter-free workspace is crucial for productivity. One innovative idea is to implement a one-in, one-out policy. For every new item you bring into your office, such as a new notebook or gadget, make it a point to remove an old one. This practice not only helps maintain a tidy environment, but also encourages mindfulness about your purchases. Additionally, cable management solutions, such as cable clips or sleeves, can keep cords organized and out of sight, reducing visual clutter and creating a more serene workspace. Lastly, it's essential to cultivate a mindset that embraces minimalism. Regularly assessing your belongings and determining what truly adds value to your life can be liberating. Consider the Marie Kondo method, which encourages you to keep only those items that spark joy. By letting go of things that no longer serve a purpose, you create space for the items that truly matter. Incorporating these innovative storage solutions into your home doesn't just promote organization. It fosters a lifestyle that values simplicity and efficiency. A clutter-free environment can lead to a clearer mind, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Embrace the challenge of transforming your space with creativity and practicality, and watch as your home evolves into a sanctuary of peace and order. With each small change, you'll find that a clutter-free lifestyle is not just a dream, but an achievable reality. Want the latest home design tips? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day.